To a story of hope and survival during the coronavirus pandemic. This was a celebration for a COVID-19 patient that was safely discharged after 7 weeks at Sarasota Memorial Hospital. 8 News Side's Justin Schecker spoke with Dr. Steve Helfer tonight. And Justin, early on, the hospital staff told his family that he may not make it, but he absolutely proved them wrong.
Rod, good evening. Dr. Heffler spent 25 days in the ICU. For many of them, he was hooked up to a ventilator. Everyone at home is about to see why something as simple as a phone charger made a big difference as he defied the odds and survived his battle with COVID-19.
And our neighbors are lined on both sides of the street with signs saying, "Welcome home, Miracle Man. Welcome home, Steve."
After 49 days of fighting for his life in the hospital, Dr. Steve Heffler does feel like a miracle man.
Yeah, I feel like I was given one more chance by the lady upstairs.
A longtime pediatrician and his family say they're forever grateful for the care he received at Sarasota Memorial Hospital.
There are angels working in the ICU.
Within 48 hours of being admitted at the end of March for COVID-19, Dr. Heffler ended up on life support.
While we were able to get a few texts back and forth for the first day or two that he was there, all of a sudden we stopped getting anything, and his cell phone completely died.
John Heffler says a nurse went home and brought back a phone charger. That made it possible to FaceTime with his dad.
We just started telling him, "You're going to fight. You fight through this, even though you can't respond to us, and even though you're completely sedated. We know you can hear us, and we're not going to say goodbye." And somehow he fought back, from that first brink of death.
And I remember zero about my time in the ICU.
But he's since learned from his wife.
Every time they called, my blood pressure would go up. So, they talk about, even if a person is comatose, you really should keep talking to them.
While seeing the impact this communication had during Dr. Heffler's battle with COVID-19, his family started a fundraising campaign to donate phone chargers to hospitals across the country that don't have spare ones for patients in their ICUs.
If this little extra lifeline can help save a few more people or ease the passing of those who are not going to make it, then it's worth doing.
When Dr. Heffler was finally ready to go home on Friday, doctors, nurses, and staff lined the hallways to cheer him on.
People can survive even at my age. So don't give up hope.
And they sang his favorite John Denver song. And Dr. Heffler's son, who lives in San Diego, told me they've already donated more than 12,000 phone chargers. Their first donation, of course, went to Sarasota Memorial, but they've also sent some to Tampa General as well. We're live tonight in Tampa. I'm Justin Schecker, 8 on your side.